Welcome back, guys and girls, to another video here in the Sims 4. And today I thought, because I haven't had a lot of time off screen that I put into playing or Let's Play world, so I thought, why not just build a new house? Just totally random with the stuff we have, with the expansion packs, whatever. Yeah. I don't fully have an idea what I want to build. I just want to build and maybe say some things. I do know I want to use these. I just need to figure out where the other ones are. There. These look just very nice. So the reason that yesterday there wasn't a video is I was very tired. Like, if I would have been recording, it would have been me yawning all the time, and yeah. I guess nobody wants to see that, so that's why I just stepped in like, nope, not gonna record. I just wish that I had a video ready for a day like that, but well, I'm a little unprepared with those things, so yeah. Let's see, can I make a nice little thingy? Where are these? And maybe I just do some no talking and then just try adding some music, but mainly I want to do it just on screen, and otherwise, yeah, there will be music. So I'ma just say nothing now, and I'm gonna be building this kitchen and maybe add in some music, so you will hear hopefully soon again from me. Yeah, so this is the kitchen so far. I just gonna put in some color and some more windows, of course, and then I'll probably move on to the next one. I still wanna I still can't seem to figure out how to make these ends like go round. I really want to know how to do that, but I have no clue. Like what you see with some of these like rooms, these pre-made rooms, like where's the kitchen? Like so. I don't know how to make that go round like there. It's a bit annoying. Just like that. How do you do that? Wait, what? So that's the thing. Apparently. Oh well, I guess it looks nice. Let's see. I need a doorway. Let's see where the doors should be here somewhere. No. I want one that is centered. Like this. No, that's also... Which one was centered? What's one that goes like in the middle? Huh. Quite sure there was one, like this one goes in the middle of things. I'm quite sure there was a frame like that. But then for this. Oh well, I probably have been imagining that. I'm gonna put one there. Or no, not there, there. Good enough. I'm gonna color this in and I'll be right back. So I did finish the kitchen. I did some... I like how it turned out. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the kitchen. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this house in like sections. So every room I will make a video of, and just like to show you how I mostly build it, and I'll add in like music in parts that I won't be speaking. So this is gonna be it for this video, which is gonna be the kitchen part of this house. And yes, it looks quite similar to what I did in my private world, but not fully. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, a like and a comment is very appreciated. And if you want to see more of this, just spam that comment section, because that's what it's for. And yeah, other than that, if you want to see more videos, just go to my channel and subscribe. And that's gonna be it for this video, so I'll see you all hopefully next time. Goodbye.